It means in our body the blood circulates in two ways. Okay, so I will explain one by one. The first one is called as double circulatory system and the second one is called as single circulatory system. Let us study the first diagram. See, these are blood capillaries, okay, and they are showing you two colors. It means this is the blue and this is the red. Okay, see, for example, the blood is coming from here. It means they are coming from the gills. This is the example from the fish. It means the blood is coming from the gills, and we all know that gills have very important function because they will purify the blood. It means they will add oxygen. Okay, so here oxygenated blood is coming from the gills and it is entering into the body part. Okay, when they enter into the body part, we know that we have body cells, we have body tissues, and several processes are performing. It means this oxygenated blood is provided to the body tissues. Okay, so they will take oxygen and they will add CO2 in that blood. It means when the blood leaves these body tissue, it will be deoxygenated. So where it will go? It will go to the heart. Okay, and then after heart towards the gills again. So you can say that this is the heart. Okay, this is the gill part and that is the body part. So here the picture is very clear. It means heart is receiving only one type of blood. Okay, and this type of blood is called as deoxygenated, and then this blood is transported to the gills. The gills will purify it, add oxygen, and then it is transported to the body and this will be continued. Okay, so here there are two chambered heart. It means there are two compartments. One is atrium and one is ventricle. When there are two chambered heart, there is the single circulation. It means it will receive only one type of blood, that is deoxygenated. Okay, and the lungs will transport the oxygenated. The heart will receive the deoxygenated blood. So that's why this is called as single circuit heart. We have a single circuit like this, from the lungs to the body and then again to the heart. You can see this is a single pathway. Okay, so that's why this is called as single circuit heart. Now move to the next diagram, that is called as double circuit heart. This is the same. For example, if I take this example from the humans, this is lungs. You can say this is a picture of lungs, and the red color is showing that it is oxygenated blood. This oxygenated blood is entering into the heart. Okay, and heart is transporting this blood towards the body. So I am repeating again, the oxygenated blood is coming from the lungs, it is entering into the heart, and heart is transporting this blood towards the body. So body is receiving oxygenated blood from the heart, and from where heart is receiving this blood? This blood is receiving coming from the lungs. So I will repeat it again. Lungs will transport the oxygenated blood towards the heart. Heart will receive this blood and it will transport this blood next to the body. Okay, and here this portion is the body. It means body tissues are present, body organs are present. So these organs and tissues and cells, they will receive oxygenated blood and they will add CO2 into the blood, and now this blood, when it will leave the tissues, this will be called as deoxygenated. Okay, so this blood is going into the heart. It means from this part, heart is receiving deoxygenated blood and then it is transporting this blood towards the lung. So here two things are present. Things are very important. The lungs receive deoxygenated blood from the heart and they change this into oxygenated and then transport this into the heart again. So this is the main point. Okay, so heart, as you can say that if I draw a box like this, for example, this is our heart, and if I make two parts, so this all part contain deoxygenated and this all part contain oxygenated. Okay, so blood is entering here from the lungs and then it is leaving. Okay, it is entering to the body and here body again transport towards the our part of heart. It means heart here receive deoxygenated and then after it transport to the lungs again. So this is the point of lungs, this is heart, and that is a body. So you can say that at the same time it is receiving oxygenated as well as deoxygenated blood. So that's why this is called as a double circulatory system. Okay, so this is single circulatory system and this is double circulatory.